Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from the cop cam, and the title of it is "Manager Gets Arrested for Trying to Kiss Employee." Oh no, come on, man. You can't try to assert your authority and try to kiss your workers. Let's get into it, man.
Then suddenly came that her father and he almost tried to hit me. You touch my daughter and this and that, all the things.
On March 31st, 2023, officers responded to a movie theater in Noonan, Georgia in response to a sexual assault report. Here's what happened next.
He came walking out, and I went and got in his face, and it was like, you know, I know what you did or whatever. And I called the cops, and she's like, "What do you mean?" And I left. And yeah, he was right down there. If you go in to the right.
Let me go see if I can find her. What's going on? So she was cleaning the break room or something. Came up and grabbed me and tried to kill her.
Yes, sir.
Hey man, so what's going on?
I don't know, sir, because that girl is working at the break room. I gave her the job to clean the break room, and after 20 minutes also, she didn't came out, right? She went there with the broom and the dustpan, right? Then I went there. Then I checked she's playing with the mobile. Then I charged her. Why? What you are doing here now? It is already 20 minutes, but you didn't clean up and come out, because a lot of not only the clean the floor and clean the tabletop, and they have to mop also. But then I charged her. What you are doing here? Then she asked me, okay, may I go to the toilet? Then okay, then I let her to go to the toilet. Then that's all. I don't know. After that, then her father came and charged me. You have touched my daughter.
What do you, when you say charge, what do you mean by that?
That means I asked her, what you are doing here so much time, 25 minutes. So it is 10 minutes job, what you are doing here? Just I asked her.
Okay.
Then she asked, okay, excuse me, can I go to the washroom? Then I told, okay, you can go. Then I don't know. Then I started the rest of the job, start the mopping and everything myself. Then suddenly came that her father and he almost tried to hit me. You touch my daughter and this and that, all the things.
Are there cameras in there, in that break room?
Huh?
Are there cameras in the break room?
Sorry?
Are there cameras, video
No,
cameras
sir.
in the
No,
break room?
there is no camera in the video room. But the outside is there. The lobby we can see, lobby.
And she was cleaning the break room?
Okay. If you want to see, you can go and see the situation.
Okay.
And there's no cameras in the break rooms?
No, sir.
Was anybody else in there?
No, sir.
It was just the two of you guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Just hold tight, just a second.
Hey, you got an ID somewhere?
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it. How long has she been working here?
Here?
How long was she working?
She's maybe nearly 1 year, I think.
1 year? Okay. Has there ever been any issues between the two of you guys?
Never.
What's up, y'all? Do y'all know anything about what's going on with these two?
Because I am a very respectful person, sir. I am 60 years old. So I am not going to touch the girls.
I'm sorry, say again?
I said, do y'all know anything about what's going on with these two?
What do you mean
The
exactly?
manager and the girl outside?
Well, she told me that he tried to kiss her.
And there's cameras in the break room?
There is?
Yes.
Oh, he just said
Cameras
it
are
wasn't.
everywhere.
He just said it wasn't.
There is. There's a big one, but then
Yeah.
she told me it happened in like a corner.
I mean, if there's a camera, who works the cameras?
Our manager.
Which break room was it in?
Now, it's down.
Can one of y'all show me? So it was in here? Yes, there is. All right. Come on, see if we can figure some things out. And he said management works the cameras? So like him or another manager?
Oh, so he already caught in his first lie, man. There are cameras in the break room. Listen, something ain't right, man. Something ain't right. Hey.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shoutouts, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Something ain't right, man. He lying.
Let's see if we can get him in. Who knows how to work the camera system here?
I know, I can see the cameras.
Okay, well, there's a camera in the break room.
Yes, but it does not work many years. Okay, I can call my GM and I ask.
Yeah, let's see if we can get in touch with him.
It's better, right?
Can you put on speaker for me?
Okay, sure.
Hello?
Hi, Nuri.
Yeah.
The police officers are here. They asked me that any camera in the
Can I
break
speak to him?
room.
Can I speak to him?
Yes, we do have a break room cameras.
Hey, Mr. Nuri, am I saying your name right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm well. So apparently there was a situation that may have happened in the break room.
Yeah.
We're trying to get everything figured out. I see that there's a camera in the break room.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to come show the footage of that camera or anything?
Yes, I'm way out, like halfway Atlanta, but my assistant says she's on the way right now.
And she knows how to work the cameras as well?
Yes, sir.
Sweet. How far out is she?
I can walk you through if you want to. It's very easy.
How far away is she?
She lives like 5 minutes away from she lives in Noonan.
I'd rather just wait till she gets here and let her do it.
I got you. All right.
That'll work. Thank you.
Okay. She'll be.
Oh, my bad. My fault. All right, so hang out right here for.
That's the second lie. First, he said that there's no cameras in the break room, right? That's the first thing he said. Lied. The other employees confirmed it. The officer goes in there, confirms it. Second lie is he go back to him and he said, hey, I see there's a camera in there. Yeah, but it doesn't work for many years. Lies. The general manager confirms. Yeah, we could get the footage, whatever. Yada. You lying, bruh. Yeah, he going, man.
Second, I'm gonna go talk to them again. All right, so I'm gonna need some information from her ID and everything. I got a different manager on the way up here now so that we can see what happened.
Yep, you told him he can't go in the camera room or whatever.
Well, first off, he tried to tell me they didn't have a camera in the room, so he's already lost some credibility with me.
Yes.
Oh, how old is she?
She's 17.
Okay, yeah. So she's saying that she was in the break room cleaning, and he came in and I guess tried to grab her and kiss her. Yeah. And so she kind of told him no, ran out the break room, went into the family bathroom and locked the door and called her dad. The problem I'm having now is he kept trying to say that there was no cameras in the break room, but I went in there and it's clear to see that dome cameras in right there.
Hey, how you doing? Where is the manager, the
He's
assistant?
in the office. Do y'all want the key to the office so y'all can go back?
Can you just lead us up there? Well, you're going to the office now.
Noonan Station. Charles.
Hey.
Nora George.
What we doing?
8880 to GMC.
Oh, well, we got somebody on the way to check the camera.
Huh?
That's what we got somebody on the way to do.
Oh, yes.
Hello, gentlemen.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
425.
Let me talk in.
Oh.
All right, you need to take it back a little?
Yeah, can you go back some? Right after he walked in.
As they watched the footage, they could see the 17-year-old employee cleaning the break room when the manager walks in and begins talking to her. He then places his hand near her waist, lifts her head, and leans in his face towards her. The female then knocked away his hands and quickly walked out the room.
Mr. Wasanta, do me a favor. Go ahead and turn around and put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Sorry?
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
I need your radio and your keys for now, hon.
Yes, what's going on, Tanya?
You're being arrested, sweetie.
What I have done?
For touching her.
I didn't touch her, but I get close to her to charge her, like this.
Hey.
No,
Okay.
Back up.
Okay, I have to call my wife first.
Okay, put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Give me your wife's number and I'll call her.
Yeah.
What's your wife's name?
115, we are being advised that everyone's out of their car.
This one?
Yes.
You come on me.
Yes, just wait. I have to get a call this one.
He'll grab your phone when she's done, but you're coming with me.
Hi, Mrs. Yolanda. I am calling from your husband's phone. He is unfortunately being detained by the Noonan Police Department. 1 second, I'm putting you on speaker, ma'am. Okay.
Are you there, ma'am? Hello?
Ma'am, are you there?
I'm there.
Hey, how you doing? This is Officer Smiley with the Noonan Police Department.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we have just the same as what Miss Tanya was saying. There was a complaint earlier, and with that complaint, we ended up looking at some video footage, and also with the assistance of this video footage, your husband, is now being arrested. Okay.
What is it he said?
There was a complaint from a young woman that stated that he made certain advances.
What?
So as of right now, though, he's going to be going with us, okay?
All right, go ahead, hop in for me. We got the video. We did see what happened.
See what happened there.
So I know that's your baby girl.
Yeah.
So let's stay cool, okay?
Yeah.
In the video, he does come in the room. He walks up to her. He kind of puts his hand close to her lower back, and then he grabs her face and tries to lean in and kiss her. He's definitely going for the sexual battery, okay?
That was a minor, too. Was that an additional charge or something? I want to see him get on the sex offender list.
Washanta was charged with 1 felony count of sexual assault and 1 misdemeanor count of tampering with evidence. Subscribe to stay updated about this case.
You know, that's actually good that they got the tampering with evidence, because he was in the office trying to fudge the, you know what I'm saying, the cameras or whatever. Like, yeah, so that was good, man. That, yeah, creeps, man. These guys are weirdos. And then I just feel bad for the wife, you know what I mean? Because she's like, what? Like, my husband is what, with kids? Like, sick, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.